In this video, I am going to show you how to make money online with Digistore24. And if you watch this video till end, then you will never need to worry about making money online, especially if you are using Digistore24. And in case somehow if you are not able to create your Digistore24 account, then you can use ClickBank, Max Bounty, Share a Sale, or there are lots of other CPA affiliate network which you can join and start to earn online. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can promote Digistore24 products with absolutely free traffic. Not only free traffic, it is going to be extremely high converting free traffic. So watch this video till end, and if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to provide you all of this information for absolutely free, but in return I would ask you to just like this video to show appreciation that you like the content of this video, so that I can create more this kind of video to help you to make money online with various other methods too. Okay, so now without doing any delay, let's get started. Firstly, you need to have an account on Digistore24, and if you don't have an account on Digistore, then simply type in Google Digistore24 and come here and click on this register now, and within few minutes you will be able to create your own Digistore24 account. Once you create your Digistore24 account, then simply log into Digistore24 and you'll see somewhat this kind of interface, and just click on this marketplace and scroll below and select this internet marketing and e-business. Now you can promote any type of product or service that you want, but the strategy with the free traffic that I'm going to show you best fits if you are promoting internet marketing and e-business product. Okay, so just select internet and e-business and scroll below and see the offer that you think at the time you're watching this video there might be this offer is not available, this offer may not be available. Okay, it doesn't matter whichever offer you choose, but choose a extremely genuine type of offer that will actually help people to establish their internet marketing and e-business, because we are not going to do something shady. Okay, we are actually trying to help people, and in return, by gaining their trust, we want to make some sales that can ultimately make good amount of money for you online. So that's why choose a product wisely. So I just saw this product and I'm little bit interested in this product. Now I can just click on this promote now and grab this link, and this is going to be my specific affiliate link for this offer. However, it is not necessary to choose this offer. Okay, you can choose any other offer that you want. Once you have grabbed your affiliate link, then simply visit to a site that is called Linktree. Simply search on Google for Linktree and you will be able to visit to this site, and you can sign up to this site for absolutely free, and you can create this kind of simple landing page with multiple links. Okay, and this will act as a landing page for you, and the additional benefit is the thing that you can promote multiple links. Okay, once you create your account on Linktree and log in, then you will see somewhat this kind of interface, and it is extremely simple to create your this kind of landing page. As you can see, there are 3 different links in the, and this is the landing page that I have made in the past. Now you just need to click on add new link and then give a title and put the URL. So your URL would be the affiliate link that you have copied from Digistore24. Now in case of title, you can simply give a attractive title that people would notice immediately. Okay, for example, so if you remember, our this affiliate program says by 9 to 5, and we have made a title, quit your 9 to 5 job, click here to learn how. And this will attract people if they are hating their job, and most likely most of the people who are doing job hate their job. So this title can hook them and make them to click here, and they will be redirected to this affiliate offer. Now once you create your Linktree landing page, then simply visit to TikTok and in the search bar of TikTok just type earning advice. So this is the platform from where you can get massive amount of high quality traffic, high converting traffic to your affiliate offer. So please do not ignore TikTok. And in case if in your country TikTok is banned, then what you can do is you can find alternative platform, okay, that is popular in your country that are similar to TikTok. And once you visit to TikTok, just type on search bar earning advice, and if you notice they have got like 168k views, 205k views, 588k views. So they are getting lots of views, okay, and you can get this kind of views too. You just need to create your TikTok channel. And now in case if you don't want to show your face, then that's fine. You can simply use the back camera of your phone to record the video, in case if you don't want to show your face. But if you want to show your face, then that's also fine. Now the question comes how you can create the content. So as you can see, I have told you, type earning advice, make money advice, lifestyle advice, okay, financial advice. You can type lots of these things, okay, and check out these videos, okay, watch these videos, what they are telling. And once you understand what exactly they are trying to give, what is their message, okay, because 200k people are liking this message that she is delivering. Now you can watch this video and understand what is the core message that she wants to give out to other people, and just give that message by creating your own video, either by showing your face or simply use back camera and show your TikTok profile, okay, with the link that is in the description, sorry, in the bio of your TikTok, or show some website by searching on Google, or you can even show your affiliate offer by using back camera and speak the message that you learn from other people. Similarly, you can watch everything. So in, for example, for this 7 different ways student can earn 30,000, okay. So here you can see how I made 30,000 as a full-time university student. So she may have earned 30,000, but you may not have earned. Then what you can do is you just ignore that part of how you made it, okay, but instead you can give people advice on how they can actually make up to this much amount by following this or learning these 7 different ways. Similarly, in this another video, how to earn money as a teen, just watch this video and learn what exact message is trying to deliver and give that exact message by creating your own video. And in case of hashtag, you can use the hashtag that they are already using, and in case of title, you can use the title, modify a little with these titles and use that title. Now if you scroll below and let's see the profile of this person, we have got 1.6 million views in this video, and you can see that he is promoting a link at here and it says $10 free Bitcoin on Coinbase. So he's basically promoting Coinbase. Now you can imagine yourself how much money he may be earning from this TikTok channel only. And moreover, people will be more than happy with you, okay, with the advice that they are receiving. And furthermore, you can become more creative and give more unique advices in upcoming days. Now guys, be absolutely clear, if you are lazy and if you think this is challenging, then everything in the start looks challenging, okay, until you start to do. As you can see, this person is speaking in a so cool way and he have got like 18k views. Lots of people are speaking, okay, so you don't need to worry about whether people will listen to you or not. You are not directly giving any advice that is coming in your mind, okay. You are actually watching these people who have already done research and they are giving advice. You are listening from them. That will increase your knowledge also, and furthermore you will be delivering that knowledge to other people in your own way and style. And at the same time, you'll also be promoting the products and services that are available from in Digistore24 and making money online in a simple way. So guys, altogether this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, then please do like this video, and if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. Now I'll see you in my next videos, because if you are interested in watching more videos that are related to several ways to make money online, then I have handpicked some of my previous special YouTube videos and kept all of those in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on those and watch those. For now, this much only. Take care. Have a great life ahead. Bye bye.